What's up, guys? Mark here from VIP Shop Management. I do want to give a clarification on VIP Shop Management Next Generation. It's going to be working side by side with the current VIP Shop Management, which is I prefer, but we're trying to create a different tier here. And the tier basically is, ability to open on the phone and on a tablet and on multi-platform like Apple, Android, and all that. And that's the limitation with VIP Shop Management. I'm not the one who's creating this. Actually, there's a team of 6 people or more creating this. We have started in this project in December. We're expected to see the final product in hopefully in July. It's a huge project. What I've done with VIP Shop Management by myself is extremely difficult to do with team of people. But again, we're designing on the web to be able to open on multi devices and multi platform. That's extremely difficult. Me personally, I prefer VIP Shop Management, the desktop application. I know it's Windows desktop application. Some people want to view their profit on the phone on the go. I understand that. But me personally, that doesn't bother me. When I'm at work, I like to be at work. We created the cloud version of VIP Shop Management where you can, download the application and log in at home. So that was never been an issue. But some people, again, some people drive a Tesla, some people drive a Prius, some people drive a Hellcat. I can't convince everybody to drive one car. Everybody has a different taste. And for that reason, VIP Shop Management is just a different tier, is a higher tier to be able to open on multi-platforms. What I do always the same thing is create a better product than my competitors and trying to make it cheaper than the competitors. If you're paying $400 or $450 with TechMetric and ShopMonkey, I think and your revenue is less than $1 million. I think you're making a mistake. I think you should be using VIP Shop Management, the current application, because it's a lot faster to create estimates and invoices, and you're supposed to maximize on your profit, not maximize on your revenue and not worry about your profit. I used to own an auto repair shop, and I understand even if your revenue is over $1 million, you're not making that much money because 50 to 70% of your revenue is on parts. You got 40% left, and that 40% you gotta pay your employees, your technician, and the bills of the electric and all that, and all the maintenance that needs to be done, and tools and all that. You don't make that much money. I don't know why. I can't stress this enough to continue to remind these shop owners that you don't make much money, which means with the revenue that you have, you're supposed to maximize your revenue, your profit, and the only way to maximize your profit is you gotta use tools. You can't just waste $400 on a shop software, shop management just because it opens on your phone, and on top of that another $400 just because you need a marketing team. We have all this stuff cheaper with VIP Shop Manager. We have Carfax Shop Loyalty Program. It's a lot cheaper. None of them is $450. I think they're giving you 1 year for free and $199. That's Carfax. I don't make a penny off this. That's Carfax, but it's a great program. Again, my job is to create opportunities for shop owners, as I used to be a shop owner myself. Better product, cheaper price, so you can enjoy this extra money and use it for your personal needs, whether your family or yourself, or buying a better car. I see all these shop owners struggling and it's hard out there. It's tough out there. This economy is up and down. We're dealing with so many problems in this country. Last year for my life was the worst year of my life. But we just gotta fight back. We can't just stop and saying, hey, we give up, or life is like a car. You gotta steer it left and right until this whole journey end. But at least we can enjoy the journey anyway. I know I went off topic here, but I just want to remind everybody that we're creating a higher tier, so that way if you think you wanna open it on the phone, on the tablet, or multi-platform, we're gonna have a better product than TechMetric and ShopMonkey with the cheaper price. That's all that I promise you. The team is working super hard, and I'm working with them every day basically. So it's not like just the team, but I'm not programming; they're programming. Until next time, thanks for watching.